this video, we cover the following topics. The word variegated basically means a mottled or streaked appearance. It may also appear patchy. To create a variegated wash, apply the first paint to the area, then quickly introduce the second paint to the bead as you work down the page. Where the colors meet, they will flow naturally into each other. Continue adding colors as desired, maintaining a wet working edge to prevent hard lines and ensure a smooth transition. Tilt your paper to guide the direction of the flow, and experiment with adding more colors or water as needed. The key is to let the colors interact, allowing the water to be the medium of transition, which results in beautiful, organic variations of tones. A few things that may help when exploring variegation. Keep the same consistency of paint and play with changing the color of the bead. Use an angle to let gravity do the work. Variegation is excellent for conveying nuances in color, temperature, and atmosphere. Whether used as a standalone feature or a foundation for layered details, the variegated wash showcases the fluid beauty of watercolor and its endless possibilities for creativity. Elevate your watercolor practice with comprehensive watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. It offers clear instructions, hands-on exercises, a free product guide, and over 200 instructional videos. This book makes it easier than ever to learn, practice, and master the art of watercolor painting. To learn more, check out Comprehensive Watercolor. The links to purchase are in the description below. Take the guesswork out of choosing watercolor supplies. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide is your free resource for making confident choices. The guide includes paint sets, paintbrushes, palettes, and cool tools. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.